Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I believe this came from the Pass Around group, but as usual I have no idea what it is. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. And follow me on Instagram. That would mean the world to me. Either one of those things, or both. Alright. Scalpel still razor sharp, in no need of sharpening in any way. Totally unnecessary. Okay, there's a secondary package in here. I'll try to be careful about. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, what do we got here? What do we got here? Hang on. Oh, this is from OCD for EDC. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I needed some. I didn't have any of your stickers. Hey, nice. Check out OCD for EDC on YouTube. I actually do go out of my way to watch his content. So I would suggest that you do the same. Go ahead and pause this video, hop over there, subscribe to him, and then come back. I promise I'll still be here. We have two? What? The upward inflection. Okay, what do we got? It's dust and stuff. Let's open up this blue one first. Let's see here. Oh, I was like, why am I having so much trouble? It's sealed off down a little bit lower. Alright, I promise you guys, at some point we're going to get into here. Okay. What do we have here? Interesting. Okay. Wow, that works pretty well. Yeah, that's kind of a little short front flipper that it doesn't look like it's actually going to be that easy to manipulate, but it really is. Nice little harpoon. So this is a 2-finger position knife. You know, you guys, a lot of you know that I prefer larger knives, but you know, if there's something interesting going on with it, then I'll take a look at it. This is cool. Right off the bat here, it says, "Damned." Is this Damned Designs? Maybe I'm saying that prematurely. I don't know. I don't know who made this. It'll say, I mean, it'll reflect properly in the, I'm just ripping into the bubble wrap because I can't seem to figure out which end is supposed to come out of it. There's another one here. Oh, this one's in titanium. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I really like the. What are the steels here? D2 and G10, titanium and S35VN pocket clips are different too. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys. This is obviously gonna be a budget option. If there are links for I'll link where you guys can pick this up down in the description. Right off the bat, I think the little chunky titanium one is awesome, just because you know it's almost. Like it's functional, but it's almost just to that point where it's just silly cool. Because I mean, it's not super thick on the edge, but I do like the chunky titanium. I love the milled clip. You know, this is just like a fun little thing. That's I mean, fidget factor's nice on this guy, but it's also just a nice small pocket knife that you could carry. And you know, if you just want something kind of fun and easy to manipulate in your pocket, that's also super small. But I do like that. This is kind of cool. I don't know what it is about these smaller knives. As long as they're functional, I really like them. It's got steel lock bar inserts. Nice captive pivot there. I feel like this is Damned Designs because that hex, not that the hex pivot's his thing, but yeah, it is because the X and the yeah, I love how he snuck that in there. I didn't catch it on the G10. The X and the O being the one of the, it's like two eyes and one of them's like half knocked out. It was one I reviewed some Nux and things way early on in the channel and some other designs from Damned Designs a long time ago, and this is the first that I've seen since then. So yeah, that's really cool. Sorry, the model escapes me, but again, it'll be reflected in the title there. But yeah, so there's going to be left-handed. That's so easy. I mean, this has got to be the smallest front flipper that I've ever handled, and because of the shape of that flipper tab and the positioning of it, and how he's got the detent, left-handed. That's cool. I like. I'm a dual wield here. But yeah, those are pretty cool. I'll link where you guys can pick, well, at least where you can check them out. I don't know if they're, you know, the other Damn Designs stuff that I've handled in the past has been kind of a prototype. So these look finished though. I mean, they function and they're solid. Anyways, I'll link them down where you guys can go at least check them out. Sorry, I moved my background there. Yeah, pretty cool. And then check out, you know, Damn Designs on Instagram as well as OCD for EDC if he has an Instagram. I'm honestly not sure. And then also check me out on Instagram. Again, even though I plugged that at the very beginning of the video. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.